Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the solution and confirming Git integration. This saves time later. Once done, initialize or connect a local repository in Team Explorer so Visual Studio tracks changes. You should stage the files you want to push. Staging makes your chosen snapshot explicit. Make sure commit author info is set so history is clear, and write a concise commit message explaining the change. This gives you a clean first commit to push to a remote. You now make focused commits describing the work, because small commits make reviews easier. Next, add the GitHub remote URL in Team Explorer settings and name it origin. This tells Git where to send data. Then, use the push command to transmit your commits. Visual Studio may prompt for GitHub credentials or token, which you provide for authentication. If branches differ, create and push a new branch so you avoid overriding remote history, and verify push success in the output window. You finish by confirming the remote shows your commits and optionally opening a pull request for review. This completes the workflow. Make it a habit to pull from origin before starting work so you avoid divergent histories. If a push fails due to conflicts, fetch the remote changes, merge or rebase into your branch, and resolve conflicts in Visual Studio, then commit and push again. One key troubleshooting tip: if authentication repeatedly fails, regenerate a GitHub personal access token and update Visual.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.